Hey guys, I'm Alan Branch, Carolina Fitness. Today I'm here with my man Bill, and we're talking about the Dynabody Power Press. Dude, this thing is cool. I want you to take me through it. I want to demo it.
Hop in. So one great thing about the Power Press is that it's a great space saver in the sense that you're not using a Olympic incline, Olympic flat, Olympic decline, or an adjustable bench. You've got your handles here, which are going to be your positions for your press. So your top position will be for incline. And then you've got your different positions. The other great thing about this as well is that you can basically go from one movement right to the next.
Oh, that's nice.
Okay. Now, anybody out there that has any kind of shoulder issues, there's a bar on the inside so we can press more from the inside.
Oh, so we have an inside grip.
Yep.
Oh man, that's nice. Okay, so when I'm done going through my press motion, man, that's an awesome stretch at the bottom. How do I re-rack this thing?
You basically got your safety right there. You click it up with your heel. Now,
that's
the
nice.
big difference in weight training is cable versus free weight. The big issue with free weights is injury. The big issue with cable is that we're really not supporting the weight and the weight's tracked for us. We're not getting any stabilizer work when we're doing the movement. So basically with the Power Press, we're getting the best of both worlds. We're getting a free weight feel, but also the safety of it.
Nice. So if I was a gym owner, if only there was a demo program of some kind where I could try out this equipment.
You ask and you shall receive. So basically we have a demo program. So what that means, let's say that you want to have this piece in your gym, but you're not really sure, you want to maybe get it out there and let your members use it. We have a demo program where basically we'll bring this out to you free of charge. You can put it in the gym, have people try it out, see if they like it. If they like it, great, keep it. If you don't like it, we'll pick it up. Or if you want it and you want it in a custom color that Dynabody offers, the red out of Marysville, Tennessee, you can custom order it.
So if I'm a gym owner, I keep it, what, 2 months or so, try it out?
Yeah, we're probably in that 45 to 60 days.
Nice. Well, you know, if it is something they like, it's a no-brainer. But as a gym owner, that's awesome because I get to test it first. Man, that's incredible. So I'll just say, just for me, it's the first time I've used it. That's a great piece.
Yeah, and it's a great space saver too. It doesn't take up a lot of room. So if it's a situation where it's a little tighter and we're not occupying multiple benches and multiple space, it's not a big footprint. And again, the free weight feel without the injury.
Well guys, I'm Alan Branch from Carolina Fitness. My man Bill demonstrating and talking about the Dynabody Power Press. We'll see you in the next video.